It's just a bit big for what I want now.
Come here and I'll show you something.
Alright.
Me too.
No bother.
Yeah, Ian, there's something for you now.
Yes, your McConnel Swingtrim. A lot later and not needed what I want now, in fairness. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So another implement I said I'd show you here is a brand new McConnel Swingtrim. So it does have a 3.2 meter reach and 1.5 meter cutting width. This machine here is brand new. It is actually sold already, so they do move quite quick. It is getting delivered in the coming days. Okay. We do also have a second-hand one sitting in the shed, so it's a 2017 model, possibly not as fresh, but maybe a bit more affordable if you don't have the work, essentially, for a new one. And to run a machine like this, it's only 15 horsepower required, so almost any tractor will run it. 15 horsepower, every tractor will run it actually, in fact. And as you can see there, your control box. So very versatile machine. It can be mounted to the front and also the rear. So 15 horsepower, front and rear mounted, mechanical breakaway as well. So it is an ideal swing trim there if it was a bit of hedge cutting you were doing, either in a second-hand one, a 2017 model, or we do also have new ones that can be got in. So you can ring myself on 083 131 5178 for possibly a bit more info on pricing and delivery, etc. So on the subject of delivery, it can be delivered nationwide. Finance can also be arranged on it too. Trade-ins possibly are considered. We don't say no to trade-ins. We will consider them. So if you are interested in something like this, give us a shout. Subscribe to the channel, hit the bell button there. You will get notifications whenever we do a new implement or tractor or a video in general. We do give all walkthroughs of all the products that do come in and out of the yard. So hit the bell button and subscribe to the channel.